Gotta get that
Marshall's
horn.
ready. We're gonna go on the sound of the toe. Pretty good so far. You're gonna take your stage. Walk the outside triple. Showing our call.
We're fine.
Okay.
As long as Jeremy got to keep going. Because it kind of stuck him.
We started at the beginning. Everybody's doing that free train. Everybody's ready. Right now, we have whole team that's got stuck by Jeremy's under.
I do that.
I know what's Marty like.
Give him the horn.
Got whole team all by the under. Sean. Look at the Savino. Nate, Josh, and Novak. We got the top four going to double triple. Look at what I got between Duncan and Notch and the whole team tonight. So now we're going to be Marty followed by Sean, followed by Holstein, Tucker, Regino, Nate, Novak, and Josh. Still very tight race. 1 out 40 to go, guys. 1 out 40 to go. That's the ball money and 1-7. Jerry just takes out 11 times, goes back to the second. Back up with that racing right here. Looks like Marty is 7 right now. Moving the circle with that Zucker. I think Sedino and Zucker going in for second place right now.
Not the fast line.
Almost great right there, Zucker. Looks like Sedino coming over that fairway, going to the sweeper, followed by Holstein. Nate, Sean. Watch the front, it's clear. Watch the front, guys.
Good chance I'll do the same back to you.
150 now, 3 to go. So while you lead, I'll let Savino, we'll take Jeremy now. So actually, Savino all by Jeremy, Sean. So the last 12 spot, got 3 laps waiting for it, probably within about 2.5 to be covered. So they just be next to with double triple. So right behind.
Go.
Watch it as a game. Clear. So we're not going to do that. Sean told me so, but what do you expect? I think Martin's got about a 3-second lead over Savino right now. Keep it nice and smooth. What's that shot off the left back? No bueno. 2:45 down to 15 to go. Looks like Marty crashes and then Dick, Savino, and Zucker get back to the 2 ball spots. Zucker messes up too, going on the straightaway here. Second, third. Zucker and Marty going through the triple. Savino's right ahead of him. Trying to make the 2-away 50 out and pull away. Savino's keeping that triple here. Going to the double triple, watch the triple. And it is stuck. Right through that complete right there. All the people down that three. Look at Savino right down his hook back to the followed by Savino. Marty's right there, keeping him honest. A little bit, try it a little bit. They go again. Right on that three, that's not fun spot. Looks like Marty being a little strong, aggressive move and got through. Zucker followed by Martin going down that three. Looks like Zucker got 4.5 second lead over Martin going down that triple. Marty stuck, watch the foot.
Oh, sorry, Nick. I'm taking a spot, Kevin.
Anyone's race. Looks like Nick took over the bump up spot. Zucker's checking out flight. Zucker is, where is he? I think he's ready. All right. Followed by Nate going down the triple. Watch the sweeper, it's clear. So it looks like Jeremy Zucker's got your first bump spot pretty locked down. Nate's about 6 seconds behind. He's got Marty right behind him. 20 seconds to go, guys. He's pushing to the end. Ooh, something that way. And that's 5 minutes. Camino, you done? Nate finishes in second,